things can get very expensive very fast on a cruise ship. So I definitely recommend that you budget and plan ahead for your cruise ship expenses. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. Alright, we are 16 days away from our next cruise, and excitement builds more and more every day. It is getting harder and harder to concentrate on anything other than cruising. But we do have a cruise tip for you today, and that is going to be to budget properly for your onboard expenses. So if you have never taken a cruise before, you don't use cash as a general rule on board a cruise ship. Purchases made on the ship go to your ship account. So before you get on the ship, or once you get on the ship on the first day, you can either provide the cruise line a credit card, or you can pay in cash for any onboard expenses that you have. Now, these expenses, they can add up very, very quickly. You go to the bar a couple of times, you go to the spa, you go to a specialty restaurant, you go up to the cruise ship store, and the next thing you know, your $100 that you had to spend on board is now $300, and you have way overspent. So definitely plan ahead. Budget for what you're going to spend on a cruise ship. Now, if you download your cruise ship app, on there it will show you your daily spending. You can take a look. You can keep up with it, because believe me, the cruise ship will collect their money before they let you get off of that ship. So don't overspend and not have the ability to pay, which is why budgeting is so important. Now, if you are not familiar with the additional costs of cruising or charges that can occur while you are on board a cruise ship, I'm going to go ahead and link to a video up here that you can go ahead and take a look at. It is the 15 additional costs to cruising, and it can help you with that budgeting process. All right, I hope you have enjoyed today's cruise tip video. If you have, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. Give it a paw. Have yourself a great day. Oh, by the way, this is Miko. He is the unofficial cruise dog. He is a big old giant baby. But he's my big old giant baby. But all right, again, have yourselves a great day, and we will see you out on the high seas.